just a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to We are in Ina's hometown, and I'm staying at her family house, and we got some groceries, so we want to show you what we got.
Yep. Some mini carrots.
Mini carrots. Dryer sheets to...
They smell good.
Yeah, they smell good if you put them in your clothes and your shoes. So I'm putting them in my runners to make them not smell bad. The most random stuff first. Baking soda, you wouldn't believe how hard it is to find baking soda in Europe.
It's the second store here, and
yeah, I was looking for it for a week probably, because apparently if you put baking soda on your Birkenstocks, it like cleans them and makes them smell fresh, because I've been wearing mine every day. They don't smell very good. And this isn't even the baking soda we have at home. It's like for clothes and the garden. Multifunctional in household and garden. Random.
And some snacks, because we're going to the lake today.
Play some volleyball.
Yeah. Some kiwi.
Kiwi.
Called like that.
Yeah. We know these. But you had them for the first time.
Yeah, I had them for my first time on Friday, and I really liked them, so we got them again.
Yeah, I introduced her to these.
You want to
you know that? You do this.
That's like some sweet mustard, because we're having Weisswurst breakfast tomorrow.
Very German.
Yeah, like
very Bavarian.
Yeah.
More snacks, cherry tomatoes.
Some gummy beers.
Yeah. This is my favorite. We're making my favorite meal. Käsespätzle?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. When I lived here, I would eat it every time we'd go to a restaurant. So we're making that at some point. And oh, you do this one.
Yeah, it's like called kohlrabi. I don't know how to translate it. I can look that up. It's also nice for a snack. You just cut it and eat it.
It's a vegetable?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Like cucumber, but more solid.
Oh,
maybe
okay.
like, yeah.
Interesting.
We will try that later. Some meat to get German traditional schnitzel.
Like pork.
Yep.
Pork schnitzel. Yeah. And this is also for the schnitzel.
Yes, and then some eggs to marinate them in like crispy breadcrumbs.
So that's our groceries for the weekend. Oh, that's what I should say. So all of this was 14 euros plus 6 for the meat. The meat was like 6 euros. All the groceries was 14, so 20 euros for all of this, which is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm very interested.
What do you think?
Oh, it's kind of like a radish.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but not as spicy.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, like radish would be better than cucumber.
Mm-hmm. Swimming in here, wakeboarding. It's sick. And if you wipe out, you have to swim and walk all the way to the start again. Like this guy.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin.
I want to watch this guy get on.
Let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky. A violet sky must be violet sky made the way. Ooh, violet sky made the way. Ooh, violet sky made the way. Baby, 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 violet sky made the way.
We just got back from, it's called Turntable, and it was really cool. It was this lake, and they had these, it was like wakeboarding park, so they had these cables that would just pull you around and around, turntable, round and around and around, and you could go off jumps and everything. It was really cool. I debated doing it, but to be honest, like, I was getting toe cramps. And this is so lame, but I get toe cramps at the worst times, and I just knew that I was gonna pay 25 euros and do this, and then I'd be getting toe cramps the whole time. And like, I've only wakeboarded once in my life, so I would have just probably been wiping out the whole time and then have to like swim to the edge and try again. So we just played volleyball for a couple hours, and it was really fun, so I'm glad it all worked out. And now Nina just took the dog for a walk, and we're deciding to go to an Italian place, a beer garden, or yeah, just deciding where we're gonna go for dinner, because tomorrow is gonna be the day we make all of our German food. So fun. I love like that she's just bringing me along to like all these local things. Like even in Munich, we didn't do one touristy thing, and she's like, I feel bad we didn't do. I'm like, no, I don't care. This is way better. I've already been to Munich, so I've seen like the center, so it was really cool to go to like the English Garden and then go to a party and go to the techno club. It's very cool. So I'm just very happy, and I don't want to leave. Oh yeah. My favorite soup ever. Can't
Fresh?
We're trying our experiment with my nasty Birks. By the way, this is my update after the baking soda. It's not good. We are having quite the lazy day today. It's been so nice though. I've been just working on a video, and Nina's had work to do herself, so we've been just hanging out at the house. Tonight we're going to make schnitzel, which will be nice, and we might go to their pond. She's just at a hairdresser's right now, so I'm just waiting for her to get back. But it's been so nice staying in a house and with a friend and making food, and just like, I'm just so happy here, and I really don't want to leave. I love Germany. Germany is one of my favorite places. And tomorrow I'm going back to the city that I lived in for 4 years, or 4 months. Not 4 years, 4 months, and I'm excited. A school of fish. Yeah. And now we're at Ina's family pond. Yeah. Which is really nice, and we're drinking our, what would you call this?
Weizen Zitrone.
Zitrone?
Like a different, not like the basic beer, but like special beer.
Yeah, the
Kinda
German
mixed
beer.
with Sprite.
Yeah, Radler. It's like a Radler, but
Yeah.
with the Weizen.
Cheers.
Okay, memory card's running out. Bye-bye! We are making schnitzel and Käsespätzle for dinner. First time making schnitzel. Is there a name for this thing?
Spätzle Reibe. Or maybe two. Self-made Spätzle.
I could not be more excited to be where I am right now. I'm back at where I lived for 4 months, back in 2019. The city obviously has a big place in my heart, so I'm so excited to go back and wander around for the evening and to meet up with 2 of my old colleagues at Airbus and to just walk by my old apartment and where I used to like get groceries and everything. I'm just so nostalgic and happy to be back. It's just a shame that all my friends who lived here don't live here anymore, but oh well. I can't believe I'm back here. This is the Rathesplatz, and it's right where I lived. I literally lived right behind there. I lived right there, Steingasse 5. I used to go to this coffee shop all the time. I used to go to this coffee shop all the time. The best bruschetta is the Italian restaurant in there. I'm having the best time in Augsburg. Today I just wandered around all morning. I ended up extending my stay. I'm not going back to Munich. I'm staying here another night. So yeah, I'm going for dinner. I came back after walking around, had a shower, worked, just like sat on my computer, and now I'm going for dinner. I love it here. That's the train station I take to work every day. Picture.